Hey everybody, Mulkey Films here. Today I'm doing a quick unboxing of the Echogear Outlet Shelf.
Outlet Shelf.
EGS1, and it's marketed as, well, an outlet shelf really. It helps hold whatever's near your outlet. So if you have a smart speaker, or if you have a razor, electric razor, or a phone, whatever. Open it up here. Take everything, whoa, out of the box. So this is the outlet shelf. Put your faceplate right here. Screw it in with your two screws, and then you can hold this right here. Whatever you need to put on your shelf. Okay. Here's your screw bag. 2 screws included. And then those are your shelf plates. Or sorry, your outlet plates. You can see in their pictures here, these are some of the things that you might store on your shelf, like a razor, or an electric toothbrush, or your phone, smart speaker, flashlight, or a kitty. 10-pound weight limit. Okay. Alright. Here's the box that had the outlet covers in it. Let's go ahead and open it up. There's one. Oh, they're metal. Pretty good. Pretty thick, pretty heavy duty. Set that down. I got another metal plate here. When it's together, go ahead and put your plate in there like so. Take your screw, put it through there, and mount it on the wall just like that. Alright, this has been Mulkey Films. Thanks for watching. This is an unboxing of the Echogear Outlet Shelf. If you like what you see, go ahead and click subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, and of course, we'll always do requests as well. Be sure to send us a note on the comment screen below. Thanks for watching.